2025. A year etched in the memory of our planet, a year when nature, pushed to its limits, roared back with a vengeance. The skies, once a source of life-giving rain, transformed into relentless torrents. Hailstones the size of fists pounded cities and fields. Rivers, once lazily meandering, transformed into raging monsters, swallowing everything in their path. From the lush rainforests of Indonesia to the sun-baked plains of Spain, no corner of the earth was spared. This was the year nature's fury reached a fever pitch. This was the year we could no longer ignore the warnings. The year began with an ominous premonition. Indonesia, a nation of thousands of islands, found itself battling relentless monsoons. Jakarta, its bustling capital, was inundated by floodwaters, homes submerged, lives lost. The scent of damp earth and decay lingered in the air, a stark reminder of the devastation. Across the globe, Brazil grappled with its own watery nightmare. Flash floods ripped through towns and villages, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The vibrant carnival spirit, usually so emblematic of Brazil, was replaced by a somber recognition of the new reality. Spain, a land known for its sun-drenched beaches and vibrant culture, faced an unprecedented enemy rain. Torrential downpours, the likes of which hadn't been seen in generations, turned streets into rivers and homes into islands. The famed orange groves, once bursting with the promise of a bountiful harvest, were decimated, their fruit-laden branches stripped bare by the relentless assault of wind and water. January, usually a time for quiet reflection and new beginnings, became synonymous with loss, displacement, and the sobering realization that the Earth's climate was changing, and not for the better. As weeks turned into months, nature's fury showed no signs of abating. Peru, a country straddling the mighty Andes, became the next victim. The towering peaks, once a symbol of strength and permanence, crumbled under the onslaught of unprecedented rainfall. Landslides, swift and merciless, swept down the mountainsides, burying villages and towns under tons of mud and debris. The hailstorms that followed were equally relentless, each hailstone a miniature missile, shredding crops and shattering windows. The agricultural heartland of Peru, once a source of national pride, lay in ruins. 2025 was a year of unprecedented natural disasters, a year that laid bare the devastating consequences of climate change. The images, broadcast on every news channel and shared across social media, were impossible to ignore. The human toll, the lives lost, the homes destroyed, the livelihoods shattered, served as a stark reminder of our interconnectedness and the urgent need for collective action. The world watched in horror, but also with a growing sense of determination. This was a wake-up call, a call to action. The year 2025 was a turning point. It was the year we finally understood the true cost of inaction. It was the year we began to grasp the magnitude of the challenge ahead. But it was also the year we started to come together as a global community, united in our determination to heal our planet and build a more sustainable future. We had no other choice. Our survival depended on it.